Part 5 of Section 1, Future Life, Al-Aqara. There's not full vowels with these titles, so, La uqsimu bihadal balad, wa anta helun bihadal balad, wa walidin wa ma walad, laqad khalaqnal insana fi kabad, wa ma hadhil hayatu dunya illa lahwun wa la'ibun wa inna daral akhirata lahiyal hayatnu law kanu ya'alamu inna sa'ata latiyatu la rayba fiha walakinna akthara nase la yu'minun ya ayyuha nasu in kuntum fi raybin min al-ba'athi fa inna khalaqnakum min turabin thumma min nutfatin thumma min alaqatin. So the future life, Surah 90, ayat 1-4. I swear by this land which thou art at liberty to conquer, by the first father and by his lineage, that we have created man to suffer. Surah 29, ayat 64. What is this worldly life but a sport and a play? The only true life is of the other world. Oh, if men did but understand. Surah 40, ayat 59. The end of the world will come. There is no doubt therein, but most men believe it not. Surah 22, ayat 5-7. O ye men, if you are in doubt about the resurrection, we remind you, so as to... And so the land, Mecca, Muhammad, thou art the first father, Adam. The territory of Mecca was sacred, and if men did know, thumma min munqatin muqallaqatin wa ayre muqallaqatin lit nubayyana lakum wa nuqiru fil arhame ma nasha'u ila ajalin musamman thumma nukhrijukum tiflan thumma litablugh ashuddahum wa minkum man yutawaffa wa minkum man yuraddu ila ardhalil umure lekayla ya'lama min ba'de ilmin shay'an wa tavral arda hamidatan fa idha anzalna alayha ma ahtazatun wa rabatun wa anbatat min kulli zawjin bahij dhalika bi annallaha huwal haqqu wa annahu yuhyil mauta wa annahu ala kulli shay'in qadir wa nasa'ata atiyatun la rayba fiha wa annallaha yab'athu man fil qubur. convince you that we created you from a little earth, then from a drop of sperm, then from a clot of blood, then from a morsel of flesh, shaped or shapeless, in the wombs, we retain what we please until an appointed time. Then we bring you forth, babes, that you may reach your full age that are after. And of you are some who die, and others who reach such an old age that they can no longer know aught of their knowledge. Thou seest the earth barren. When we send down rain on it, it quivers, swells, and brings forth all sorts of luxuriant plants. That is because God is the truth, because he quickens the dead, because he is almighty, because the end of the world will come. There is no doubt therein, and because God will waken those who are in the tombs.